Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to unrestrict an account on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first open up Instagram app. Then in order to restrict an account, you can just move on to someone's profile that you restricted before. I have restricted that person a couple of minutes ago, and now at their profile, just underneath the bio, it says that you have restricted that person. And right from here, in order to unrestrict that profile, all you have to do is just hit at unrestrict, and that's it. I have just unrestricted that account. Now let me restrict him again, and I'll show you the second way how you can unrestrict any account, any of your restricted account, just from one place without opening up their profiles. And all you have to do in that case is hit right here at your profile picture to open up your profile. And once you are at your profile, hit at menu icon, then hit on settings, privacy, then scroll down until you find restricted accounts. Get into it. Then hit on continue, and right here it shows you all the accounts that you restricted before, and then you can just hit at that unrestrict button next to their profile name to unrestrict any of accounts in that list. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I'll see you in the next one.